that taking a nap at afternoon will help you grow taller? Then, let's find out.
Sleeping is crucial for overall health and well-being, including proper growth and development. However, it is important to note that the high potential of an individual is largely determined by their genetics, factors, and the growth plates in their bones. Sleep alone cannot significantly alter these factors.
According to the beliefs of the elderly in the Philippines, if you sleep at noon, you will grow taller. But do you think it's true?
Well, the answer is no. Because a person grows tall due to genetics, our genetics are responsible for our height due to growth hormones. The roles of growth hormone include influencing our height and helping build our bone and muscles. And one of the reasons of increasing the height is inherited from our ancestors and parents. If your parents are tall, there's a chance that you will be tall.
Afternoon naps will help you grow taller. Your height is determined by your genetics and environmental factors such as nutrition and exercises. During your early years of life, naps may have some benefit to us for improving our mood and energy level, but they won't make us taller.
Research studies have shown that genetics, nutrition, and physical activity play a significant role in determining a person's height rather just than the amount of sleep they get.
So, why the belief of growing taller by sleeping at noon is directly rooted in the Filipino culture? It may not have a direct impact on a person's height according to the modern science.
That when you sleep at noon, that you would grow taller?
Well, sa paniniwala ko naman parang hindi naman kasi since birth na rin ako matangkad, genetics I guess.
Thank you.
Do you believe to the belief that if you sleep at noon, you will be taller?
No, it's just an excuse so that kids can sleep.
Do you believe to the belief that if you sleep at noon, you will be taller?
The growth of height is influenced by various factors like genetics, nutrients, and sleep. Kasi tignan mo, yung bata kung kulang ang katawan niya sa sustansya, hindi gaanong tumatangkad, hindi tumataba. Pag naman kulang sa tulog, mangayayat yan. Parang wala siyang energy para makipaglaro. Pero ang big factor talaga dyan yung genetics, yung genes na mamana sa mga magulang, ang height ng isang bata. Kasi walang ebidensya na nagsasuggest na ang specific sleep pattern ay may hambag sa pagtangkad ng isang bata tulad ng pagtulog ng hapon. Pero siguro nangyayari lang, nagiging excuse yon ng mga magulang o nagkakaroon sila ng ideya para patulugin yung kanilang mga anak sa ganung pamamaraan. Pero talaga ang big factor talaga niyan sa genes na mamana sa magulang.
Endocrinologists clears that sleeping does not directly contribute to height increase. Human growth is controlled by growth plates in bones, which regulates bone development and are influenced by genetic factors.
Scientists believe that DNA is responsible for about 80% of a person's height. This means, for instance, that tall people tend to have children who also grow up to be tall. People usually grow until they reach 18 years of age. Before then, a range of environmental factors can affect how tall they become. Bye-bye!